Very good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all. This is Gopinath Ganesan. In this video, we will discuss about how to prepare income and expenditure account with balance sheet, Tamil Nadu State Board Accountancy subject, exercise number 22, page number 78. Following is the receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st December 2018, Neyveli Science Club. Receipt payments. Receipt side to balance brought down cash in hand, to subscription, to life member fee, to exhibition fund receipt, to sale of science equipment, to miscellaneous income. Payment side by balance brought down bank overdraft, by postage expenses, by science equipment purchase, by laboratory expenses, by secretary honorarium, by audit fees, by general charges, by exhibition expenses, by balance carried down, cash in hand, cash at bank. Additional information: opening capital fund subscription include rupees 600 for the year 2019, science equipment as on 1st January 2018 rupees 5000. Surplus on account of exhibition should be kept in reserve for new auditorium. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2018 and the balance sheet as on the date. In the sum they are asking income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. The first step to be consider the adjustment. What the adjustment? The first adjustment here they are given opening capital fund. Whenever they are given the opening capital fund, will be prepare income and expenditure account and closing balance sheet only. The next will be consider the next adjustment. Subscription include rupees 600 for the year 2019. Current year 2018. Here subscription include for 2019 means subscription received in advance. In subscription highlighted in blue color. Whatever highlighted in blue color, we have adjustment. Next, science equipment 1/1/2018 opening balance of science equipment. In payment side they are given science equipment purchased. Please highlight it. Why? Because we have adjustment. Then next here they are given surplus on account of exhibition should be kept in the reserve of auditorium. Here they are given science exhibition fund received 7,000. Here they are given exhibition expenses. Okay, all the adjustment we highlighted in the blue. Why? Because we have adjustment to be considered to prepare income and expenditure account as well as balance sheet. Next, go through all the receipt. So already here they are given capital fund, opening capital fund. That's why opening balance, don't consider any opening balance. Why? Because already they are given the capital fund. That's why highlighted red. Life member fees, non-recurring fees, non-recurring income should be mentioned in the balance sheet liability side. The sale of science equipment, we have adjustment. The result of sale of science equipment consider in income and expenditure account. Science equipment asset, the book value will be deducted from balance sheet. Miscellaneous income, normal income mentioned in the income and expenditure account, income side. Postage expenses normal expenses, income and expenditure account, laboratory expenses, honorarium to secretary, audit fees, general charges, normal course of expenses in the business should be mentioned, income and expenditure account. Here closing balance, cash in hand, cash at bank should be mentioned the closing balance sheet. That's why highlighted in green. Listen here. Whatever we have adjustment blue. So whatever relating to the opening balance sheet red. Then whatever account related to the income and expenditure account yellow. So what are the accounts related to the balance sheet green. So next step will be prepare income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. Listen here income and expenditure account, title should be right, income and expenditure account, income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018. 18 is the current year. Next to be change the title. Next to be change the title. Here expenditure, debit side expenditure, credit side income. Credit side will be right, income. So next from the receipt and payment account, whatever highlighted in the yellow would be mentioned in the income and expenditure account. Here to miscellaneous income. Okay, where which side receipt side? Receipt side means would be mentioned income side. It means to become by become to. Opposite side. Here they are mentioned two. Two means would be changed by miscellaneous income 500. Next here whatever they are given the yellow. Here they are given by rate. All the by should be mentioned as 2. Here they are delete the blue color. Here by postage expenses will be mentioned as 2 postage expenses. 2 postage expenses. By laboratory expenses, 2 laboratory expenses. 2 secretary honorarium. Then next by audit fees. By audit fees will be make as 2 audit fees. 2 audit fees. General charges. 2 general charges. Here we mention the all the yellow. We mention the all the yellow. Next step. So whatever highlighted in the blue will be considered to prepare income and expenditure account. Here receipt side to subscription 7,800. 7,800 would be mentioned here. We have adjustment. Whatever we have adjustment, the amount should be mentioned in inner column. So to become by subscription 8,200. What the adjustment here? They are given adjustment. Second adjustment, subscription include rupees 6,000 for the year 2018. Current year 2018. Income and expenditure account would be mentioned only the current year. Don't consider any non-current year. That's why here deduct less subscription for 2019. What is the value here? They are given 600. Deduct the 600. What is the balance? 8,100. 8,100. So first adjustment is here over. First adjustment here over. Next adjustment. What is the next adjustment? Go through the receipt and payment account. Subscription over. Next exhibition fund receipt. Exhibition fund receipt here they are given. Take the second adjustment. Mention here to become by. To become by. So whenever we have adjustment, it should be mentioned in inner column. 7,000 here less. So what we are given here? Exhibition expenses. They are given the payment side. Exhibition expenses 5,000. Exhibition. Here exhibition receipt 7,000. Deduct the exhibition expenses. Exhibition expenses 5,000. What is the value here? 5,000 to be deduct. What is the remaining value? 5,000 minus 7,000 minus 5,000. Remaining value 2,000 mentioned here. Outer column. Okay. Here now two adjustment over. Next here sale of science equipment. Sale of science equipment amount is 6,000. Book value 5,000. It means 5,000 equipment is sold to rupees 6,000. What is the revenue? The result is gain is 1,000. 6,000 minus 5,000. 6,000 minus 5,000 is gain. All the gain we recorded in income side by gain on sale of equipment. Gain on sale of science equipment. Science equipment. Science equipment 1,000 rupees. 6,000 minus 5,000. 6,000 minus 5,000 total 1,000. So next step. Next adjustment. Here science equipment purchase asset. It will be considered for balance sheet. Exhibition expenses already considered. Now all the adjustment is over. Next step will be find out the total of income and the total of expenditure. The total of expenditure 200 plus 2,400 plus 5,000 plus 3,600 plus 1,800. So 13,000. 13,000 total expenditure. The total of income. Total of income 500 plus 8,100 plus 2,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000 11,600. 11,600. Here expenditure over income. Expenditure over income. It's called as deficit. Here would be mentioned by deficit. By deficit. What is the value for deficit? Deficit. Here deficiency by deficiency by deficiency. Total expenditure 13,000 minus total income 11,600. 1,400. 1,400 deficiency. The deficiency will be transferred to capital fund. Transferred to capital fund of balance sheet. That's why highlighted in green. Highlighted in green. So next step will be prepare balance sheet. Prepare balance sheet with the help of receipt and payment account and adjustment. Receipt and payment account and adjustment. Balance sheet as on 31st 3 2018. 31st 3 2018. Here liabilities here will be mentioned assets. Then so whatever highlighted in the green we mention in the balance sheet. Here life member fees 5,000. Here they are given life member fees. Life member fees 5,000 should be mentioned in the liability side. Then here receipt and payment account highlighted in the green. Closing balance of cash in hand. Closing balance of cash in hand and cash at bank. Closing balance of cash in hand, cash at bank. Okay. Receipt and payment account is over. So after that it will be considered adjustment. Subscription. Here they are given 8,700. Here they are given subscription for the year 2019 means advance subscription receipt. It's our responsibility, liability. Subscription. Why? Because the subscription received for the year 2019. It's our responsibility, liability. What is the value here? They are given subscription received in advance right? 600 we mentioned here 600. What is the next one? Next to go through the receipt and payment account, whatever they are given the blue color. Exhibition fund receipts already considered. The sale of science equipment. Science equipment is asset. We mentioned the asset side. Science equipment. Science equipment mentioned here. Science equipment. What is the science equipment purchase? Already they are given. Here science equipment mentioned 10,000. Here science equipment. In the adjustment they are given opening balance. Go through the adjustment. Science equipment 11 2018 means opening balance. Science equipment opening balance means previous year balance they are given. Opening balance, what are here they are given 5,000 opening balance 5,000. Then add purchase. So in the current year payment side they are given science equipment purchase 10,000. Already opening balance 5,000. Again we purchase 10,000. Again we purchase 10,000. What is the total? Here total 15,000. Total 15,000. Then less payment side they are given science equipment sale. Science equipment sale. The sale of science equipment. Sale of science equipment they are given the receipt side. What is the value here? Here we consider only the book value. We consider only book value. In the bracket they are given book value 5,000. Here would be deduct 5,000. They are given the bracket. So what is the remaining balance would be mentioned as opposite outer column. Listen here. Science equipment they are given the adjustment. All the adjustment highlighted the blue color. Opening balance 5,000. Purchase 10,000. Total 15,000. Then sale. Then sale of science equipment book value. We consider on the book value 5,000. The net amount 10,000. Then consider the other adjustment. Science equipment purchase. Consider science expenses already. Consider subscription include 600. It considered science equipment opening purchases considered here. So next here liability side always will be considered the capital fund. Capital fund. So capital fund already they are given the first adjustment 6,400. 6,400. Then next here less deficiency. Suppose its surplus will be add, but in the sub they are given deficiency. That's why it will be deducted. Deducted the deficiency 1,400. Deficiency 1,400. 6,000 minus 1,400. The net answer is 5,000. Net answer 5,000. So what is the total? Here would we find out the balance amount. So total of asset and total of liabilities. Total of asset and total of liabilities will be find out. The total of asset 10,000 plus 600 10,600. 10,600. The total of liabilities 5,000 plus 5,000 10,000 plus 600 10,600. Here the balance is total of asset and total of liabilities. Total of asset and total of liabilities get tally. Thank you.